Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your bro, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to explain constructors in JavaScript, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Okay, I guess we're talking about constructors now. A constructor is a special method for assigning properties. It's automatically called when creating an object. That's why when we create an object, we say equals new, then the name of the class, then parentheses. So we can pass in some unique values into the constructor and assign them to each object so that not all objects will be the same. They can have their own unique characteristics. So let's create some custom cars, but we'll need a car constructor. So within our class, type constructor, parentheses, curly braces, and within our constructor we can set up some parameters. Let's say that when we create a car object, we'll want a make, model, year, and color of a car. So when we create a car object, we can pass these values in as arguments. For our first car, let's say that we have a Ford Mustang. So the make will be Ford, separate each value with a comma, Ford, Mustang. For the year, maybe 2022, and the color, what about red? Now let's assign some unique values to car 2. What about a Chevy Corvette? So Chevy, Corvette, then we need a year, 2021 is good, and a color, what about blue? So now when we construct a car object, we can pass in some unique values and send them as arguments to our car constructor. We can set up and assign some properties to each car. So to assign these values that we receive as arguments to each car's properties, we would type within the constructor this.make equals make, this.model equals model, this.year equals year, and lastly this.color equals color. And honestly, that's it. So let's display some of the properties of car 1 to begin. I will use console.log, then to access a property of your car object, type the car object. In this case, it is car 1. We have two methods, break and drive, and we also have four properties, color, make, model, and year. So first, let's display the make of this car, and this should display Ford. Let's try the model next. Car1 dot model, and this is a Ford Mustang. Let's do the same thing with year and color. So car1 dot year, car1 dot color. So Ford Mustang 2022, and the color is red. Now car 2 is going to have its own unique properties. Let's copy all of these lines of code and change car 1 to car 2. So car 2 will also have a make, model, year, and color, and they're going to be different from car 1 because we passed in different values as arguments. So car 2 is a Chevy Corvette, the year is 2021, and the color is blue. So that's one of the benefits of a constructor. It's a special method that we can use to assign unique properties to an object. It's automatically called behind the scenes when creating an object. However, we can explicitly use the constructor to assign some unique values passed as arguments to the car constructor. So yeah, those are constructors. In the next video, we'll discuss the this keyword. If you would like a copy of all this code, I will post this to the comment section down below. But yeah, those are constructors in JavaScript.